Imagine a fluffy cloud, not in the sky but walking on four legs. That was the reality for a sweet dog named Buster, whose fur had become a dense, uncomfortable mess. Buster's fur wasn't just unsightly, it was a health hazard, restricting his movement and potentially harboring skin infections. Buster's owner had noticed the gradual worsening of his fur condition, but had been overwhelmed by the task of managing it. The matting had become so severe that it was beyond the scope of a simple brushing. It was a situation that called for professional intervention, a gentle hand, and a whole lot of patience. The decision to seek professional grooming was a crucial turning point in Buster's life. The weight of the matted fur, both literally and figuratively, was about to be lifted, revealing the beautiful dog hidden beneath the tangled mess. The groomer, a kind and experienced woman named Sarah, understood Buster's apprehension. She approached him slowly, speaking softly and offering gentle reassurance. Sarah knew that the process of shaving off the matted fur could be stressful for a dog, especially one who had likely experienced discomfort for quite some time. She began by gently examining Buster, assessing the extent of the matting and determining the best course of action. With Buster calmly settled, Sarah began the delicate process of shaving. She used specialized clippers designed for sensitive skin, ensuring that Buster wouldn't feel any pulling or discomfort. She worked slowly and methodically, carefully navigating the dense mats and gradually revealing the healthy fur beneath. Throughout the process, Sarah continued to talk to Buster, offering words of encouragement and praise. As the mats fell away, a transformation began to unfold. The heavy, tangled mess gradually gave way to soft, healthy fur. Buster's true form started to emerge, revealing a handsome dog hidden beneath the burden he had carried for so long. As the last of the matted fur fell away, a completely different dog emerged. Buster, once hidden beneath a tangled mess, now stood proudly, his beautiful coat gleaming in the light. His eyes, once obscured by the matted hair, now sparkled with newfound energy and joy. He looked like a completely different dog, lighter, brighter, and full of life. Buster's true colors shone through, his fur a rich, vibrant shade of brown. His playful personality, once stifled by the weight of the matted fur, now bubbled to the surface. He pranced around the grooming salon, his tail wagging furiously, clearly reveling in his newfound freedom and comfort. The transformation was not just skin deep, it had reached his very soul. Buster looked years younger, his movements fluid and graceful. The heavy coat that had once weighed him down was gone, replaced by a sleek, healthy coat that shimmered in the light. Buster's owner was overjoyed when she saw the transformation. Tears welled up in her eyes as she witnessed the happy, healthy dog that stood before her. It was as if Buster had been given a second chance at life, a chance to run, play, and enjoy the simple pleasures that had been denied to him by the weight of his matted fur. Buster, free from the burden of his matted fur, greeted his owner with enthusiastic leaps and playful barks. He showered her with affection, clearly expressing his gratitude for the newfound comfort and freedom. The joy in his eyes was unmistakable, a reflection of the lighter, brighter spirit that now resided within him. The owner couldn't stop smiling as she knelt down to embrace Buster, burying her face in his soft, newly revealed fur. She whispered words of love and appreciation, promising to never let his coat reach such a state again. The bond between them had been strengthened by this shared experience, a reminder of the importance of consistent care and attention. Buster's story serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of regular grooming for our furry companions. Neglecting their grooming needs can lead to serious health issues, discomfort, and a diminished quality of life. Just like humans, dogs need regular care to maintain their physical and emotional well-being. Brushing, bathing, and occasional professional grooming are essential components of responsible pet ownership. Regular grooming is not just about aesthetics. It's about preventing matting, which can restrict movement, cause skin irritation, and even harbor parasites. It's about maintaining a healthy coat, which provides insulation and protection from the elements. And it's about strengthening the bond between humans and animals, creating opportunities for connection and affection. By incorporating regular grooming into our pets' routines, we can prevent situations like Buster's from occurring. A little bit of preventative care can go a long way in ensuring our furry friends' comfort, health, and happiness. Buster's story is a heartwarming testament to the transformative power of care and compassion. It's a reminder that even in the most neglected situations, there is always hope for a brighter future. With a little bit of love, attention, and professional expertise, Even the most matted and tangled fur can be transformed, revealing the beautiful, healthy dog beneath. Buster's journey is an inspiration to us all. His story highlights the importance of recognizing the signs of neglect and taking action to address them. By taking proactive steps to maintain our pets' hygiene, we can prevent unnecessary suffering and ensure they live long, happy, and healthy lives. Buster's transformation is a celebration of the human-animal bond. His story inspires us to be more attentive to our pets' needs, to provide them with the care and attention they deserve, and to cherish the unique bond that we share with them. Buster's transformation is a testament to the power of compassion and a reminder that every act of kindness, no matter how small, can make a world of difference in a pet's life.